Yeah, peeps. Welcome back in guys. You know, enter the series. You know, say a proper we dropping a peeps.
Remember that.
See today Saturday, what we are do? We are about some Tarpon.
Yeah man, check it out. See him there? Slice up already and big man style, you know, man. Yeah man.
We are about Tarpon today. I'm gonna cook some ground food. Today a ground provision we are about.
Yeah man, see it I am this. Sweet potato.
Remember, you know, like, share,
subscribe. Yeah man, right.
Remember
true.
to leave a couple of one ketchup, you me. So as soon as you pour ketchup, I gotta put on the pot, you see me. We have everything together. As I said before, today, Saturday, some nice cooked dumpling. I'll get the pot put on and now. Alright, that is it, you know. Yeah man. Water already in a pot. I'll get the pot cover up and now. So now stay tuned for all of that. See me people? All of that. Get the flour, show it, start to have it mixes, see me? Done now. Now I'm gonna use everything, you know. I've left back some, you see me? Yeah man. Make sure you add some salt to the flour, you see me, my people? Yeah man. Can't add too much. Add some water. We're gonna start get the flour mixed out and now, you see me? Alright my people, I want to go and stay tuned until finish get the dumpling mix out. Then we make it so it look like, see? Stay tuned. Yeah man, water is bubbling up. Drop in nice flour dumpling. Knead them right and properly here. Yeah man. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that now. Look at that now. So all the dumpling them roll out in the pot now. Yeah man. Check in man. Get a little story in the meanwhile, you know. Yeah man. Wow. Look at that man. Alright my people, I'm going to stay tuned for all of that. Get a little cover down in the meanwhile. Wow. Look at that. Alright, we put the ground provision them peel up and all of that, you see me? Wow, look at this. Yeah man, get them peeled up and all of them things, you see me?
You know the code.
Yeah man.
Like, share and subscribe.
Nice and pretty, you know? Yeah man. No rush, you know? Nothing sweeter than this now, my peeps. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Peeps, you know, cook it, you know. Just go in, you know. And look funny now. Jaja. Yeah. Today, look lovely, you know. Nice and easy. So anyway, my people, make it go and stay. Let the coal and the pot the film work. Already do our work. All of the pot I do for the America now. So now I go get the pot cover back up. Okay, go and cover back up. Take it from there. So just remember my peeps. Like, share, and subscribe, you see me? You have to leave a comment, alright? Stay tuned, you know, man. Getting the tarpon cut up, you know?
Get the shark machete in a chunk, man.
Very nice chunky fish. Wow.
Regular, brother.
But the key to it is just to tie them out, you know. Once you have fish go on, you just leave the line, make him go on. And go run till, you know. Just make him hold that thing, you know.
So that's each time in Japan, like.
No man, just make him go on when the fish will automatically tie out himself. When he go out, that's why the line will liquor tension on it. So I'm going to fight. You see when I feel him now, they can't be back. You see me? When he go out again,
you know, right there, when you run a book, you go tell them.
yeah, so when
Easy pulling.
when he come back on your foot, he can't even move.
You know where you go by lane, so when you go tell book, you can tap him, so when you go pop for you, pull him in, you go light up.
Yeah man.
Come in by water, you go come in like one put a paper for you. I really think I can say you got to in line. I want to have see make you run first. Make you run, see the way man is on top of him, man just jump on top of him, we tap him so
Big one.
Come on, again.
The one that drag line.
or you got pull.
Watch out! Oh, yeah.
Alright, the people, I get the tarpon, slice up the right and properly there. Guys, up on that man. Nice, you know, my people. Yeah, fresh, you know. Oh. I tap on this, you know, my peeps. After I get it sliced up the right and properly way, we're gonna go ahead now, get it wash off, have it seasoned up the right and properly way, my peeps. So stay tuned for all of this zine. Yeah man. Meanwhile we have the flour dumpling and the nice yellow yam and the white yam that are the renter. I go and bubble out into the pot. Stay tuned, you know, my people. Yeah man. Epic, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man. Wow, look at this man. Wow. Wow. Got it, man. Give me a piece. Let it come out from the zone. Yeah man, like the people them see like man.
Good dumpling and yam and sweet potato.
Peeps. I'm gonna put on the dust in meanwhile, you know. Yeah man. Keep going hot up. So meanwhile the frying pot I go and get hot. We're gonna go and get the fish them seasoned up and all of that. You see me some people? Yeah man, of them that long. Show the hot oil in the hot already. Yeah man. Wow. Fall and go out with yourself, isn't it? Easy spice fish season, isn't it? I use some Maggi all purpose. Wow, look at that, man. You know, see first turning. We're going to get the scallion, onion, bell pepper, and the carrot, thyme. Get them diced up. The fish and the cinnamon peeps. I wrap the rest in the pot. I go and fry. The curry, I curry them. See me, people? I'll get the curry burn. So in the meanwhile, I'll get the bell pepper, go and dice up. So stay tuned for all of that. Alright, people, we're going to stay tuned.
He's nothing there. No, I'm going to tell me first.
Alright.
The last set of fish coming out now, you know. Yeah, man, taking out the last set of fish, you know. Taking out the last set of fish. Yeah, my peeps. I'll eat this, you know, guys.
Yes, guys. Well fried. Ready to get him prepared to cook it down. Wow. Juicy.
Can't lose. Nothing can beat 14. I'm telling you what, you ain't give your cook blank. Kill out them 60, brother. Cut force, brother. You have to kill the big all of them. Once again, go back to us, you have to remember about it. Give me. Come. You can't come. You can't come, brother. You can't come. You can't come, brother. You know? You can't. Fire. Alright, my peeps, I will get the curry, get the tune of the pot. Then we'll make the curry burn. Then we're going to work the magic scene. So stay tuned for all of that. Alright, curry I got inside of the pot now, my people. Alright, that's the curry. Get some food share out and all, you see me? So you can consume some food, you see me, my people? Stay tuned, you know, guys. Epic moment, you know. Yeah, man. Whole team out, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps, I eat this, you know. Yeah, man, done cook everything, you know, peeps. I'm gonna consume some food now. So stay tuned for all of that, my people. Yeah, man, looking lovely. Consume some food now. And all of that, you see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah. Nice, yellow yam.